He moves right over us. I think he's going fast. Precious Sally, didn't you go inside? Huh? My precious? Miss Sally? What, boo? These clouds are fast moving in. It was just clear, now it's just moving in. Really, really fast. That's what you call fast development.